Please come in. Are you Maria?
Yes, I am.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
I swear to tell only the truth.
Please have a seat. May I see your green card and passport?
Here they are.
What is your full name?
My full name is Maria Elena.
Where were you born?
I was born in Mexico.
Would you like your full name on your certificate of citizenship?
Yes, that will be fine.
How did you come to this country?
I came to United States with my mother.
And when did you become a permanent resident?
I have been a permanent resident since April 2004.
What is your date of birth?
I was born in August 10, 1985.
How tall are you?
I am 5 feet 3 inches tall.
When was the last time you traveled outside the United States?
The last time I traveled was in 2006.
And where did you go?
I went to Mexico.
Did you stay outside the country for more than 6 months?
No, I was out for 20 days only.
What other trips did you take in the last 5 years?
I took 3 more trips, one to the South Africa for 7 days, and in Europe for 10 days, and one in Mexico for 2 weeks.
What is your present address?
I live at 55th Barron Street, New Jersey.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, presently I am working at Radisson Consultants as an architect.
Are you married?
No, I am divorced.
Was your husband an United States citizen?
No, my ex-husband wasn't a permanent resident of United States.
How many times your ex-husband was married?
Once.
How many times have you been married?
Only once.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have one boy, and he is 2 years old.
Does your son stays with you?
Yes, he stays with me.
Have you ever claimed to be an U.S. citizen?
No, sir.
Have you ever registered to vote in the United States?
No, sir.
Do you pay your taxes?
Yes, I do.
Do you owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes?
No, I don't.
Have you ever not filed federal, state, or local taxes since you become lawful permanent resident?
No, I haven't.
What does it mean by returns not filed?
Returns not filed means non-submission of tax forms.
Have you ever been in a mental institution?
No, sir.
What is the meaning of mental institution?
Mental institution is a hospital where mentally unstable patients are treated.
Have you ever been a member of a communist party?
No.
Have you ever been a member of a terrorist group?
No.
What is the meaning of non-resident?
Non-resident means someone who is not a resident of United States, one who don't have a home address in United States.
Since becoming a permanent resident, have you ever called yourself a non-resident on any tax return?
I am sorry, I didn't understand your question. Can you please repeat your question once again?
Did you ever call yourself a non-resident on your tax return?
No, I did not.
Have you ever committed a crime for which you have not been arrested?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, convicted of a crime or offense?
Yes, I was arrested for false domestic violence charges.
What is meant by arrested?
An arrest means only that you were taken into police custody and temporarily held by the police. An arrest is not a finding that you are guilty of a crime.
What is meant by convicted?
A conviction means that you have been found guilty of a crime by a court, or that you have agreed to plead guilty to a crime.
Have you ever been to jail?
Never.
Did you ever have any problems with alcohol or drugs?
Never.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No.
Have you ever been in prostitution?
No.
At same time, have you ever been married to more than one person?
No.
Have you ever tried to marry someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
No.
Have you ever been involved in illegal gambling?
No.
Do you receive alimony?
Yes, from my ex-husband.
Have you ever helped anyone enter the country illegally or lie to a government official?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been ordered, removed, excluded, or deported from the United States?
Never.
Have you ever served in the United States Armed Forces?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I do.
What is the oath of allegiance?
One should stay loyal to the country, and if there is any war against my country, I shall fight for it. I also pledge to support, honor, and be loyal to the United States, its Constitution, and its laws.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I would.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I would.
Okay, Miss Maria, are you ready to take the civics portion of the test?
Yes, I am ready.
How many states are there in the Union?
There are 50 states.
Which country did we fight during the Revolutionary War?
We fought against England.
What is the Constitution?
It is the supreme law of the land.
If both the president and the vice president die, who would becomes the president?
The Speaker of the House.
What are the three branches of the government?
The executive, the legislative, and the judicial.
What is Congress?
The House of Representatives and the Senates.
For how long do we elect each senator?
For a period of 5 years.
That's incorrect. It's actually for 6 years, but you don't have to answer them all correctly. You only need to answer 6 out of 10 civics questions correctly.
Okay, sir.
Who is the head of the executive branch of the government?
The President.
What are the first 10 amendments of the Constitution called?
The Bill of Rights.
What is the highest court in the United States?
The Supreme Court.
Congratulations, you have passed your citizenship test and will become a U.S. citizen today.
Thank you very much, sir. You have a great day.